In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Rode Wireless Go microphone kit. Just got this in the mail. Bought it off eBay, brand new for $189 with free shipping. For some reason, Amazon only had the white ones and found this black one on eBay. Let's get it unboxed and check it out. Here's an up close of the box. Looks like we have a quick start guide, a safety guide. Also have a quick start guide right here on the box. There's our receiver and transmitter. And looks some type of picture setup piece there. And if we look here on the back, it does come with a soft carrying case. I did see a couple nice looking hard cases on eBay that I may pick up later on. Here's your cable. These two wind muffs. Not sure how well these are going to stay on. Looks like we have a Desi pack. Keep everything nice and dry. And charge cable 1. And charge cable 2. I'm going to get these charged up and I'll be doing some test videos and I'll be posting those later. But I do want to show you a size comparison. There is a 1/4 and also have my GoPro right here just so you guys can tell kind of what the size looks like. This thing is very, very tiny. I'm really impressed at how small this is. And there's a 1/4 again. Alright guys, thanks for watching.